Yeah, boy! Look at me fixing my tripod, trying to look all professional here. What are we doing today? You know what we're doing today by the title of the video. We are blacking out Schnicky Doodle's headlights. Look at this ugly chrome look. Look, I don't know why Subaru stopped making the black lens headlights, but they did. If you notice on Drex's car, he has stock headlights, and his hatch came with the black headlights that my hatch came with when I had it. And we need to fix these because we don't like chrome. Not around here. No, 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 no. So we're gonna show you how to transform the front end of your car for less than $10. But I'm not done yet. Call now and we'll throw in free shipping and handling with an extra can of paint, even though you only need one. Let's get to it first. Next step, you warm up your Taco Bell Power Bowl, Veggie Power Bowl. Then after that, your kitty cat tries to attack your tripod, followed by preheating the oven to 250 degrees. Our oven is preheated and ready to go, so let's stick one headlight in there first and let it sit for about 5 to 7 minutes.
I pull up gently in my Amish whip, Versace diamonds on my wall, my drip, yeah. Keep my milkshake in the cooler bag.
Okay, don't be dumb like me and actually pull off the brackets and the screws before you do anything else. 1, 2, 3 bolts right here. Pull that bracket off, and there's like 5 or 6 screws around the outside of the headlight housing. Like there's one right here. You guys can see it right there. Get all the screws off first. Now I gotta do this and throw this back in the oven again. One moment.
Bus stop limo takes me many places. Entourage consists of unfamiliar faces. I tip the driver before we stop the ride. Business locations always reached on time, like Chipotle. I'm getting double chicken, I pay extra. I know a couple tricks and drink soda in the water cup. They don't know me yet, but I always say what's up. I pull up gently in my Amish whip, Versace diamonds on my wall.
Screws are one screw, I don't remember. I think it's just this screw, and this screw, and then the whole thing pops out.
My Gucci shirt still has a good full tag. I pull up gently in my Amish whip, Versace diamonds on my wall, my drip, yeah. I keep my milkshake in the cooler bag.
If you want to be crazy like us, well, it's not even really crazy. We're gonna take this out because who wants orange reflectors in their fucking car? You don't have to take this out, but we're taking this shit out.
Promises are on the table. Weekly meetings at the oyster bars. Career advice from the happy hour stars. My latest record, one triple aluminum. It was reviewed by the hippie community. My latest record, one triple aluminum. It was reviewed by the homeless community. It got a lot of ads on my local radio station. You might have even heard it if you were here on vacation. It got a lot of ads on my local radio station. Might even heard it if you were here on vacation. I pull up gently in my Amish whip, Versace diamonds on my wall, my drip, yeah. Keep my milkshake in the cooler.
Boom! After you get bam, I'm trying to talk to my camera, bro. Look at this guy trying to interrupt my tutorial right here. After you put everything back together, simple. Put your headlight on, your other half of your headlight, and all you do is throw it back in the oven. Fam, stop throwing tongue at me. You don't throw tongue. You throw your headlight back in the oven for another 6 minutes and squish it together. Put your screws on, close your tabs, and you're done. Simple as that. We're leaving that in, no bloopers. So yes, that was really good. Yes, I didn't make that mess on purpose. It just happened. Number two, actually that'd be number three. I'm recording on my phone because my camera's at home and we are out finishing off the headlight video. And this sour cherry is really good. Tastes like Kool-Aid, but sour. Oh man, I'm dumb. I made a mess of myself. Here is the finished result of the headlights. Check them out. Blacked out. Oh yes, sir. Lando approves. He's here.
Yes, I'm here.
Yes, I am here. Like, check it out. Completely blacked out. Completely blacked out. What do you guys think of the headlights? Let me know. Give us a comment for something good. And don't forget, we're having our giveaway still. Scam me. We're still having a giveaway next Saturday, so you still have time to enter. This video will probably be up Wednesday, Thursday, something like that. So when this video goes up, you'll still have a couple days to enter. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. And if you want an easy front-end mod for your car for less than $10, if you have the knowledge, even if you don't have the knowledge, just give it a try. It's honestly not too difficult. Just give it a try. You'll never learn things unless you try them first. We are wrapping this video up on the phone, so we will catch you later, right, Lando?
Yeah.
Yep.